Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best ChamRider E-bike battery in this video? I will show you the top 5 best ChamRider E-bike battery to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Electric Bike ChamRider Battery. Specifications. Brand name, Hihg. Capacity, 40 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts. Type, lithium battery. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Number 4 is Electric Bicycle ChamRider Battery 36V. Specifications. Brand name, Hihg. Capacity, 31 to 40 Ah. Voltage, 36 volts. Type, lithium battery. Built-in BMS, 50 amperes to 80 amperes protection board. Cycle life, 80% capacity after 800 cycles. Warranty, 12 months. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. As the item number 3 we've selected, Electric Bicycle 50 Ah Battery. Specifications. Brand name, Hihg. Capacity, 31 to 40 Ah. Voltage, 52 volts. Type, lithium battery. Charger, free 3A charger as a gift. Built-in BMS, 60 amperes to 90 amperes protection board. Cycle life, over 80% capacity after 1000 times. Warranty, 1-year warranty. Certification, CE, FCC, UL. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is 48 volts E-bike ChamRider battery. Specifications. Brand name, Hihg. Capacity, 31 to 40 Ah. Voltage, 36 volts, 48 volts, 52 volts, 60 volts, 72 volts. Type, lithium battery. Built-in BMS, 58 to 108 protection board. Fit motor power, 250 watts, 350 watts, 500 watts, 750 watts, 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts. Cycle life, over 80% capacity after 1000 times. Warranty, 1-year warranty. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Electric Bicycle 48 volt 750 watts Li-ion battery. Specifications. Brand name, Hihg. Capacity, 31 to 40 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts. Type, lithium battery. Feature, waterproof PVC bike battery. Warranty, 12 months. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, UL.